How to force restart an HP PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a force restart on your HP computer to fix issues such as it's frozen, not responding to touch anyway, maybe the screen is black, but you know the laptop's on, things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So all we need to do, it's really simple, simply find the power button. So on mine, it looks like this, and it's up in the top left. It could be in the center or on your keyboard or even on the top right. All you want to do is find the power button and hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds. Now, when you do this, you'll see the screen turn off. You might see the backlight on your keyboard turn off or any lights turn off. Go ahead and continue to hold the button down just for around 5 seconds after that. Then you can let go and then hold down the button for 2 to 3 seconds. We're just going to force it to start back up. So it should take it a couple seconds. It'll start booting up. You can see the screen just turn back on. Now we go. We get the HP logo. All right, and now I can start logging into it. It's responding to touch on my keyboard and my touchpad. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.